Question 1. Find. First part 12 divided by 3 by 4. Second 14 divided by 5 by 6. Third 8 divided by 7 by 3. Fourth 4 divided by 8 by 3. Fifth 3 divided by 2 and 1 by 3. And the last one is 5 divided by 3 and 4 by 7. So basically what we will do here is we will flip them, because we have learned in this chapter that division gets changed to multiplication by flipping the subsequent fractions. So here 12, please multiply and we flip 3 by 4 to 4 by 3. Now 1 3 is a 3, 4 3 is a 12, 4 4 is a 16, whole part is the answer. Second, we write 14 as it is. Divide is converted to multiplication and fraction is flipped. 5 by 6 becomes 6 by 5. That is numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Now 14 6 are 84 over 5. Now it is improper. You got to change it to proper. So 5 16s are 80 and 4 by 5. Third, 8 divided by 7 by 3. 8 into, flip it, 3 over 7. Then 8 3s are 24, 7 1s are 7. Now improper, 3 7s are 21 plus 3 and 3 by 7. Now fourth, 4 into, flip it, 3 by 8, cutting a portionally, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then 3 over 2, improper, it is 1.5. Fifth, 3 divided by, we got to make it to fraction, 7 over 3. Now 3 into, flip it, 3 over 7. Now 3 3s are 9 over 7. Now 7 1s are 7, 2 is remainder and 7. Last part, 5 divided by 21 plus 4 is 25 over 7. Now 5 as it is, multiplication, flip it, 7 over 25, 5 5s are 25, 1 5 is a 5. So 7 over 5, which is 5 1s are 5, 2 is remainder. So this is your first question. Second, find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. So you have to classify the fractions as whether they are proper, improper or whole. Proper is something that has numerator less than denominator. Improper is numerator higher than denominator. Whole is complete number, no fractions at all. So let's do it. The first one is 3 over 7. Now we got to flip it, so it becomes 7 over 3. It is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. Second, 5 over 8. Flip it, 8 over 5. Then it is again improper because numerator is greater than denominator. 9 over 7, 9 numerator to denominator and denominator 7 to numerator. It is proper because numerator is small than denominator. Again we will flip it, it becomes 5 over 6. It is proper because again numerator is smaller. 12 over 7 becomes 7 over 12. It is proper because numerator is smaller than denominator. That was your fifth part. Now 1 over 8. When you flip it, it becomes 8 over 1. And we need not to write 1 in the denominator. So this is a whole number. Last part, again the same thing. When we flip it, it becomes 11, which is a whole number. So whole numbers are those which starts from 0 and goes to infinity in positive direction. That was second. Third, find number first. 7 over 3 divided by 2. Then second, 4 by 9 divided by 5. 6 by 13 divided by 7. 4 and 1/3 divided by 3. 3 and a half divided by 4. The last one is 4 and 3/7 divided by 7. So here we go. 7 by 3 as it is, division as it is. So wherever it is not written, it is 1 in the denominator. You can assume it as to be 1. Now multiplication, we flip it, it becomes half. Now 7 upon 6, and to mixed fraction it is 1 and 1 over 6. Here 4 by 9 as it is, placing 1 below denominator of 5. Now flip it, 1 over 5, 4 ones are 4, 9 fives are 45. It is proper. 6 over 13 as it is, placing 1 in the denominator of 7, and then 6 by 13, changing sign multiplication, and with changing sign it flips. 6 ones are 6, 13 sevens are 91. It is again proper. This numerator is smaller than denominator. Now opening mixed fraction, 12 plus 1 is 13 over 3 divided by 3 over 1. 13 by 3 as it is, changing sign, flipping the fraction. 3 over 1, 2 1 over 3, now 13 over 9. Improper, so it is 1 and remainder is 4 over 9. 3 and a half is converted to 7 over 2. 3 to the 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 4. Then 7 by 2 as it is, changing sign, flipping, 1 over 4. It becomes 7 over 8, proper. Now 7 4 is 28 plus 3 is 31 over 7 divided by 7 over 1, placing 1 in the denominator. It is understood. Now 31 over 7, changing sign and flipping the fraction. 7 by 1 becomes 1 by 7. Now 31 over 49, it is proper. This numerator is smaller than denominator. That was your question number 3rd. Fourth, find. First part, 2 by 5 divided by half. 4 by 9 divided by 2/3. 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. 2 and 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. 3 and a half divided by 8 by 3. 2 by 5 divided by 1 and a half. 7th is 3 and 1 by 5 divided by 1 and 2 by 3. Last is 2 and 1 by 5 divided by 1 and a half. So let's do it. So this is you now. So this you know very well. 2 to the 4 and 5. Now 4 by 9 as it is, and then changing sign, flipping fraction, it becomes 3 by 2. Now cutting opportunity, 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, 3 3 cancels out. Now 2 over 3, it is proper. Third part, 3 over 7 divided by 8 by 7. So when we flip it, it becomes 7 by 8. Now cutting opportunity, 7 and 7. So it is 3 by 8, again proper. Now 3 to the 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 over 3 divided by 3 by 5. Now 7 by 3 into, flip it, it becomes 5 by 3. Then 7 5 is 35 and 3 3s are 9. Now improper, so 9 3s are 27, 8 is remainder, and 9. Now 3 to the 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. 7 by 2 as it is, and then multiply it with 3 over 8. When you flip it, it becomes 21 over 16. So 1 and 5 over 16. Now here 2 by 5 as it is, divide by 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. So you cannot cut it here. Do not make this mistake. You have to cut only when you convert it into multiplication, as you do here. So 4 over 15 is your answer. Now 15 plus 1 is 16 over 5 divided by 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. Again, you cannot cut it here because it is division. 16 over 5 into, you flip it. Whenever you change the sign, you flip it from division to multiplication. So 16 3s are 48 and 5 5s are 25, improper. 25 1s are 25, 23 is remainder. So it is 1 and 23 by 25. Here 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11 over 5 divided by 5 plus 1 is 6 over 5. Now 11 over 5 into 5 over 6. 5 5 cancel out, 11 over 6, it is improper. So 6 ones are 6, 5 is remainder over 6. So that was your last question, question number 4.